Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our last session, we perfected the design of our product discovery page. Today we are going to make that design come to life by programming the search processing logic. I'll show you how to capture user input from search bar using the PHP get method and turn that into a dynamic SQL query that filters through our skills database. But searching is one half the battle. When you have hundreds of skills, you can't show them all on one page. So, we will also build a robust pagination system from scratch. We will calculate offset total pages and ensure our search terms persist even when you click on page 2 or 3. This is a must-have skill for any full-stack developer. Let's get started. This is my web page. So I click the search bar and I'll input video editing and I search. You can see the result. Video editing masterclass card you can see loading on the page. You can search anything. What do you? Now I search another one. I type and I click search button. Now you can see the product. So now let's go and see what we can see if the product is not. I search website and click search button. You can see no skills found. Try different keywords or browse all available skills. We turn into our first page with all of products. Again, I search website and click search. You can see no products found and I click this browse all. When I click browse all, I turn into my home page. In our home page, you can see the same search bar. I click AI and click search button. You can see we turn into our search products page and the product load. So this is our search product processing part. And also we have to discuss about the pagination part. In our search product page, you can see the pagination part below the products. When I click this second button, we turn into the second page. When I click the previous button, I turn into the first page. And I click next button, we turn into the second page. So this is the processing part of pagination. In our search product.php file, we start by setting up the environment and verifying the user's identifier. We use session start to access stored user data. The ESET $session check prevents errors by ensuring a session is not start twice. If the user is not logged in, we run outcheck.php. This specifically checks a remember me token to keep the user signed in automatically. We extract $user role and $user ID to personalize the experience if needed later. Next, we capture the data sent from the search bar and calculate our page numbers. We get the search term using $get, give, and use trim to remove any accidental spaces. We set $items per page equal to 6. The offset calculation is the most important part. It tells the database exactly where to start picking up products for the current page. And this is where the magic happens. We build a flexible query that changes based on what the user types. By default, we only show products where status equal to active. If a user searches for something, we append a like condition to check both the title and description. We use $params and params type. This is a security best practice to prevent SQL injection attacks. Finally, we fetch the products along with their rating and seller information in one powerful query. We use left join to connect our products to the user order and feedback tables using count and AVG average. We calculate the customer count and average rating on the fly. The escape function ensures that if a product has no rating, it shows as 0 instead of a null value. We apply a limit and offset at the very end to ensure we only fetch exactly 6 products for the current page, keeping our website fast. Now let's look at the PHP logic that makes our search header intelligent and user-friendly. The code starts by checking the $total products variable, which we calculate earlier in our backend logic. If this number is greater than 0, it means our database found matches for the user's search. Notice this clever line, $total products equal to 1 or skills. This ensures our website is grammatically correct. If only one result is found, it displays one skill found. If multiple results are found, it displays 5 skills found. We wrap a number in a span with the font bold class to make the count stand out against the blue background. If the user actually typed a keyword in the search bar, the code uses if is not empty $search query to echo that keyword back in question marks. This confirms exactly what the system is searching for, such as 5 skills found Python. If the database finds 0 matches, the else block triggers and displays no result found. This is vital for user experience because it tells the user clearly that they should try a different search term instead of just leaving them a blank page. We use a PHP for each loop to iterate through our $sign products array. Before entering, we use if count $sign products greater than 0 to ensure we only display the grid if there are actual products to show. We handle the rating display intelligently. If a product has no rating yet, it displays as new. Otherwise, we use round to show a clean decimal rating like 4.5. The card uses a group class to trigger multiple effects at once. The image zooms in, the shadow deepens, and the arrow button color change, all through a single hoe action. We built a safely mechanism for product image to maintain a professional look. The information inside the card is organized to provide clear hierarchy. The seller's name is linked to their profile, allowing customers to easily explore more courses from the same instructor. We display both the review count and the customer count. This provides immediate social proof, helping the buyer trust the quality of new skills. We use number format, $product price, and 2 to ensure the currency is always displayed with 2 decimal places. Our pagination system is designed to be smart and clean, showing only the most relevant page numbers. Notice that every link uses URLen code $search query. This is critical because it ensures that if you are on page 2, the website still remembers exactly what you searched for. We calculate $start and $end range to show only one page before and after the current one. This prevents the pagination bar from becoming cluttered if you have 50 or 100 pages. We use three dots to skip over middle pages, while always providing direct links to the first page and the last page for fast navigation. The current page is automatically highlighted with BG Blue 600 text white, giving the user a clear visual you are here in director. What happens when a search doesn't match anything? We have designed a helpful empty state to keep users engaged. We display a large, clean, magnifying glasses icon using a simple SVG. This visually confirms to the user that the search product process worked, but no data was found. The message changes dynamically if the user actually typed a keyword. We suggest they try something else. If the search was blank, we encourage them to start searching. We provide two clear paths forward. Browse all takes them back to the full list. Clear search. This button only appears if there was a search term, allowing the user to reset their filters with a single click. And that is how you program a fully functional, secure and paginated search engine for your marketplace. We have gone from capturing raw user input to building complex SQL queries that handle everything from text machine to real-time ratings. By implementing a smart pagination system, we have ensured that Skillshop remains fast and easy to navigate no matter how many skills our sellers add. So this is the end of today's video. Thank you very much for joining with me and I'll see you again with another video. Have a nice day all and goodbye.